Hey folks, it's Farmer Marshall with part 2 of a series of videos I'm doing on how to get your spring garden started. Start by creating a list of your must-have like big tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, okra, cucumbers, maybe even watermelon. Then I strongly consider you try something new that you've thought about doing but you haven't done before, like cantaloupes, honeydew, sugarcane, chili pepper, or even corn. Decide how you're going to start your garden. Are you going to start with seeds or starts, or a combination of the two? If you're going to start with seeds, you need to prepare early with many seeds, like maybe now, especially if you're in the South. In many regions like the Midwest, you won't have enough time to grow warm season vegetables from seed to harvest if you wait to start the seeds outside. Some seeds can be sown directly into the ground. Green beans, honeydews, and peas are great examples of seeds that you can go straight into the ground. Also, some plants like turnips, carrots, beets, and other root vegetables don't transplant well enough, so I strongly encourage you to sow them directly into the ground too. Tomato and pepper seeds are harder to grow successfully from seed, so you really need to start them indoors. At least I would. You also need to look into buying heat mats and grow lights for growing indoors, since they won't germinate in medium that's less than 80 degrees. And also, you're not going to have enough light unless you actually purchase your grow light. Now, there are several benefits of growing from seeds. It's much easier to get a much larger variety of plants that you find in your local big box store if you go to your seed section instead of going to the start section. Another great benefit is the seeds are relatively cheap, at least compared to starts. One key to starting from seeds is that you don't want to plant them too early and have your plants outgrow their pots before the outside temps are warm enough. Most vegetables should be sown at least 6 weeks before the last frost date, although some vegetables might need 8 weeks. But check your seed packages for more information on the time period. I'll pin a link to a video that I have on starting seeds in the comments below. Until then, let's get out there and get a little dirty. I'll ping a I'll ping a I have a link